You guys know that there's going to be a protest on the 19th of July 2025 in the Ashanti Kingdom. A lot of Nigerians that are living in the Ashanti Kingdom are already panicking and packing their bags to go back to Nigeria. I'm going to be sharing the video clips with you all to watch and see how Nigerians are crying and calling out on the government of Ghana to do something about this issue, that they are not the cause of the problem. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel.
We are packing, you see. We are packing. We are packing. Hey, it's not funny. See, we have started packing everything. See. Hey, this case is not. It's not funny. It's not funny at all. It's not funny. See. Ghana is good. Ghana is good. Yes, but we cannot wait until they buy us. We cannot wait. Oh, we cannot wait. See, because my boss said, so we already start packing because this case is getting worse, and where we base, we just have to pack. We just have to go. We can't stay here. It's okay. We go to another country. They don't come here. Don't call spoil Ghana for us as they spoil Dubai. God day. We are packing, you see. I don't know how you guys are harassing somebody yesterday. I don't want to post anything violent on my page. I've never been sleeping since 3 days now. You can ask those people that is joining my life. I've never been sleeping. Shenami, I'm not even Igbo, for crying out loud. But we are here to settle this case, but you guys are making it worse. Why? I don't understand. Somebody said they want to build land. Okay, you guys, the land is in Ghana. Then you guys should wait till he starts building it. Then if people will go there to go and work, then you guys will say they should not build it. It's very simple. Or better still, send them out of Ghana. Why do you want to buy everybody? Why? I don't understand. Are we the one that is committing the crime? What's this?
At that time, when Chidinma was standing for Miss South Africa, I remember very well how I was supporting Chidinma, and I was like, we are all Africans, African unity. In 3 weeks, they have something they say, Entowa da. Now I understand. If it has not been done to you, you will not understand. When South Africans were crying and saying we will not allow Chidinma to stand for this position, I was like, why? We are all African. Hey, this African unity thing, I don't think it can work with Nigerians who want to always take advantage of every situation. Ghana has lived with Liberians. Ghana has lived with Burkinabes. Ghana has lived with Togolese. We have lived with them for years and years, decades. Every Togolese have a Ghanaian heritage. But you will never hear Togolese coming to Ghana and making videos and making so much noise about how Ghana, look at Ghana. Every day since we allowed this visa-free and Nigerians came to Ghana. Every day poor Nigerians come to Ghana and take advantage of the resources that we have. They come and they do everything that they are supposed to do as Ghanaians because they are fighting with the little resources that we all have. They are not coming in with billions of dollars to invest. They come in and start from the scratch and get money and rise to the top, which is okay. It's okay. We are all people. But now that you have gone all the way and you have reached the top, now you want to sit on us. You want to come and rule us in our own country. We have lived in this world and we have seen how Congo started. We saw how South Africans are fighting with their life trying to bring out foreigners from their country. When a country is fighting for the good things, when the people of a country are fighting for the good things in their country, you will never see any foreigner supporting. It's about time. Listen, it's not even going to be only Nigerians. Those Lebanese, those Indians, those Chinese. The last time I went to China Mall, I never saw even one product from Ghana in China Mall. These things has to be seen as a serious issue. You hire the people in the country and you don't even pay them the right prices. You don't pay them the right time. You don't pay them. You don't give them healthcare. You don't give them traveling. You don't pay their traveling expenses. You don't do nothing. You just pay them the little, and then you'll be in the country, and then you allow all these people to take advantage of us. Because these leaders, your children at 18 years can organize huge programs and get sponsors. How about the normal Ghanaian? How about the cocoa farmer? It's about time we open our eyes and stop this unnecessary politics.
Man, bro, I'm African guy and I'm a real one, original one. Now I respect every African guy. Listen, the Nigerians are doing too much. You're not wise, you're not intelligent. Just because the other Africans, we don't want to mess up like that. We don't want to be like this. I don't know how your parents, how your children, how your parents treat you, brought you up. Most of you are so doing things so badly. No, most of you, we have the good Nigerians that we were brought up so good, but most of you are so not good. I swear, you people destroy Africa. You people give Africa bad names. No, you go to every country, I don't know how you behave. That is so fucking disgusting. You have to change. You are not better than us. You're not.
So you don't even wait up to 13th, 19th. You have just started demolishing Nigerians, what do you call it, property. Hey, this thing is getting serious. This thing is getting serious. And do you know something? I'll beg Otunfuo and President of Ghana to do something. Because it is getting serious and fierce. It is getting serious. Oh, hey, me am crash me. Ah, what? Like the comment I read, if my memory can do me good, it says Ghanaians are soft, they are calm, they are good, they tolerate, but they shouldn't forget that they were the first African country to gain independence. So that want to say something. That comment is very powerful. It means if someone is humble, meek, it doesn't mean that the person is not strong. Do you get what I mean? So that is it. And you see them, they have started packing, some of them. And what sometimes what pains me is that the innocent ones, this that they must go 10. So if you are watching this video, you share, subscribe, and let's pray for Ghana and Nigeria. Until then,